Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This is K-pop song. So for all the K-pop fans out there, this is song from NUIST. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correct. NUIST, and the title is Hello. Okay? So the girls are ready now. They're actually hungry. Alright, let's go start. Alright, let's start. So for this, you're gonna start close. So side 1 and drop of N2. Again, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. So 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sticky. Okay, you got that one. Next. Kick front 1, cross 2, right 3, cross 4. What's the legs? 5 and 6. Close on 7, bend. Yes. Let's try again. From the top. So 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1 and 2, right 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So move up a little bit. So 7, 8. This one you're gonna step to the back. 1. So it look like this. So 1, 2. Side 3 and 4. Then your left you can put here or you or whatever you want. 5 and 6. Turn on 7. Ja 8. So don't close first. 8. Okay, from here. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So be careful when you turn. Let's try. Continue. 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Front 3 and 4. Point to the front. 5. Turn on 6. 7, 8. So this one is going out. 8. Yes. So let's try. From here. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. Turn 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do from the beginning first. So be careful because it's so sticky, the floor. So from the top, 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3 and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 8. My mask is going down. So 7. Next. 8. What's this? 1 and 2. For the brain. 1 and 2. Up 3, 4. This one is single count. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, almost. One more time. So 5. Look at this. 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Punch 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue. This is simple. 1, 2. So you gotta please stop there. 1, 2, and 3. Away on 4, cross 5 and 6, 7, 8, and finish. You can do any pose you like. Okay? Let's try again. From here. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, stop and tap, hop, cross, down, 2, header, hop, and pose. Yes, good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. Ready, Madonna? Madonna. Donut. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going fast. Stop. 5, 6. Here we go. Last 1. Stop. Boom, boom. Hop, cross, down, so jump, pose. Yeah. Congratulations. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography of our video today. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.